An unconfirmed 4.9 earthquake was reported in central Greece early Tuesday. It was listed at 12:13 a.m. Athens time on June 2, 2026. The reported location was 39 kilometers northwest of Larisa in Nomos Larisas, Thessaly. So far, available information says the shaking was felt in Ioannina, about 103.8 kilometers west of the epicenter. That report described it as very weak shaking, intensity MMI 2. The event is still unconfirmed, so the magnitude and location could change as more data comes in. For now, the key update is simple: a reported 4.9 quake early Tuesday near Larisa, with very weak shaking reported in Ioannina.